Buongiorno a tutti, we are in Udine today and we are looking at this beautiful city and yeah, let's check it out. We are here, Borg di San Bartolomeo. Look how amazing that is here. Let's have a walk here. And let's check out the city. Yes! Just amazing here, walking in Udine. Perfect weather. It's around 26 degrees. It's not that hot. It's good. Look how nice. The little piazzettas here. There in the top you can see the castle there. And here we are in Piazza della Libertà. Look how amazing the architecture is here. Loggia del Lionello here in Udine. Very amazing. Just amazing here. Look, this architecture here. Look at that floor here. One second. Just amazing. And here you can see as well the old town of Udine. So we are here al Museo del Duomo, Cattedrale di Udine. Look how amazing it is. Just nice. Just amazing. So let's head up to the castle of Udine. Let's see how nice that is here. Wow, amazing. Heading up here. Castle of Udine. Is that on the left side? How nice that floor is here. Wow. You. Hey, see you guys. Esperanto. Okay. It's going down. There below you can see a little bit of the city. Maybe in the top. Up here you can see it more. This is la Chiesa di Santa Maria. It's at the moment closed. It's not allowed to go in. Next time. So beautiful. So nice city. So cool. Little bit of the city here. Piazza Primo Maggio is down there. Just amazing here. It's very wide here, that city. You can see it. So cool. I don't know if you can hear me. It's a little bit windy right now. La Guerra del Castello, the war about this castle here. Look how all everything here is the stones and everything. There's all a history behind it. All described here. Just amazing. Look here. Stones that is, I don't know how old that is. Incredible, incredible. Oh, there's missing something. It's amazing. Today the museum is closed. Yeah, the only day in the week it was closed, but yeah, let's pick it up in the next time. In the meantime, look how amazing that is. So nice, going down now. So nice. It's going down now. City. started a little bit of rainy. Let's have a nice prosecco here. So finishing here the vlog with 50% Daniele and the nice prosecco. Catch you in the next one.